If you need to change the email address on your Epic Games account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're updating to a new email, fixing an old one, or just making sure your account details are current, this is a simple change you can make right from the Epic Games website. And before we get into it, if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once you're there, log into the account that you want to update. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one email address or multiple gaming accounts linked to different services. After you're signed in, go to your account settings. This is where Epic Games keeps your profile details, security settings, and contact information. Look carefully through the account menu until you find the section for email settings. Once you're in the right place, click edit next to your current email address. Now you'll be able to enter your new email address. Type it in carefully and double check for any spelling mistakes, because even one wrong letter can stop the verification process from working properly. If you have access to the new inbox, make sure it's active and ready to receive a message from Epic Games. After entering the new email, Epic Games will send a verification code to that email address. Open your inbox, find the message from Epic Games, and copy the verification code exactly as shown. Then come back to the Epic Games page and enter that code into the verification field. This step confirms that you own the new email address and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once the code is verified, your email address will be updated successfully. At that point, you should see confirmation that the change was completed. If everything went through correctly, your Epic Games account is now linked to your new email address. That's really all there is to it. The process only takes a few moments, but it's important to follow each step carefully so the change goes through without any issues. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.